What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change the contact form submit button text using WPForms without coding, without plugins, in a simple, fast, effective and free method. So let's get this started. First thing, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and find your WPForms form. Normally it's on WPForm, all forms. Select the form that you would like to change the submit button, click on it and wait while the editor loads. Right here we have a couple of options and you can explore the settings field and the general. Okay, right here on general, from the left sidebar of menus, okay, we have setup, field, settings, and on settings we have a couple of options: the spam protection, themes, notifications, confirmations. So go to general, scroll down just a little bit, we can change the form name, you can enter a description for your form, apply some tags for organization, and right here we can change the submit button text, for example from sent, so for submit to contact us. And right here we can change for contacting, for example, or change on your native language in the case that you have a website in another language. Simple, easy and effective. After doing your change, all we'll have to do is review the upper right corner of our screen and hit this save orange button, okay? And your change has been saved. Simple, easy and very, very effective, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you tomorrow. All the best.